One of the great features in Pion is the amount of information that it gives you about web performance. You can see on the screen in front of you a basic Pion dashboard that's showing you, web analytics based on the number of views, actual page load time, showing a quartile, upper and lower quartile view, server reply time, which is basically an average of a data start time, and the data center time, the total amount of time that was spent inside the data center to generate the entire page response. I mean, that's just some of the the information which is available in Pion for performance terms. You can actually go right down to the TCP/IP level and start looking at how long various packets and timings and that sort of stuff takes. It's completely up to you what level of detail. And the dashboard is obviously completely customizable. But what I want to look at today is an integration with a third-party product called WebTuner. One of the great things about Pion is that it's very easily integratable. You can use custom reactors such as this one, which is done in Python, and basically generate some Python scripting to call a web service, or to, in this particular case, to actually generate a effectively a tracking tag that is calling out via a beacon to the WebTuner collector. So what is WebTuner? WebTuner is a passive analytics product focused on performance. They can collect performance using their own JavaScript-based tag in the same way that episodes or Boomerang or the new updates to Google Analytics will do. But in this particular case, the performance data is being generated by Pion as a promiscuous back-end appliance and sending the information through to WebTuner. What you can see here is the sort of the global map of WebTuner, showing me all the sessions. It's basic Google Maps, and I can then drill down in to have a look at particular sessions in particular locations and to see exactly what's going on. If I drill down into this one at State Farm Mutual Insurance, I then get a performance view for this one particular user session, showing how long it took, both the data start time and the total response time for their entire user journey. WebTuner obviously has many more reports like this. If you come over into the performance tab, I can sort of get aggregated responses. Let me just look at that over a slightly longer time period, and I can see all the information about the number of hits, number of visitors, and the average response time during that time. You can break this down, by country, by client IP, by browser type, all the kind of information that you would like to see, number of page hits, page response time, and there are various other reports. But the key factor here is that this information is available. It's for every user session that comes and visits your site. You can drill down into the analytics as much as you can, right down to an actual user session, and really understand where people are going on your website and the performance that they're getting at the same time. There are other reports that you can generate. It's completely up to you. But that's it, basically. Just a very quick way of how you can show web performance analytics in real time using WebTuner and Pion.